The Oricom external tyre monitoring system is an excellent safety feature for your vehicle. It's not only going to monitor tyre temperature and pressure, it's going to give you early warning if something's going wrong with one of your tyres. It's also going to help you monitor your tyres for longer tyre life. The long-lasting battery in the main display unit is charged from the solar panel on the top of the unit, but you can use the micro USB port in the side as well. The unit's mounted to the dashboard with the included anti-slip mat. The wheel sensor batteries can be changed easily and they last approximately 2 years. The unit is compact in design, easy to install and comes with a 12-month warranty. It has an intelligent sleeping mode for saving battery power. The wheel sensors have a waterproof rating of IPX7. The display adjusts automatically between day and night. When you're driving, the unit is continually monitoring temperature and pressure. The Oricom TPS9 is an excellent safety feature for your vehicle.